Today, we're giving you free blueprint plans for your very own man cave bar. Make your fun space more functional. Wow your friends with your epic carpentry skills and pull up a seat and crack a cold one. When you're done putting this affordable 10-foot bar together, you're going to want to rally the troops. Now, for the most important question though, what goes in the fridge under the bar? I'd love to see your comments below. If you do this DIY project, please post pictures and videos of your final product for inspiration. Or if you already have a man cave bar, show us a picture in all of its glory. And check in tomorrow as we move closer to number 1 in our top 30 DIY project list. Tomorrow's project is all for the ladies who love sparkles. See you then.